I saw something. They said there's a new Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's called the Skibidi Cola Cola. Mommy, I want Skibidi Cola Cola.
No. It's so expensive. It's so 1,000,000. The cola and the food what you buy, it's expensive.
The daddy's here now. What's wrong with Cookie?
The Cookie wants to buy some foods. The food and the cola. The Skibidi Cola Cola.
For real? I'm gonna open my jaw for a whole year. Oh. Mom, please. I'll give you whatever you want. I will do the chores. I will do I will clean my what?
No. Not allowed.
I'm gonna get my knife.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Hello. This is the KFC order. It said that somebody got the Skibidi Cola and Skibidi Fried Chicken. Oh, he did buy the fried chicken. Yeah, for real. Is that all? I want it. I want it for dinner. Okay, chill. Calm down. I will give it to you. It's actually cheap. It's 1,000. Mommy and Daddy, thank you for the Kentucky Saucy Chicken.
Sure, my hon. Sure,
I'm gonna give you a song. Bro, chill.
My honey, just chill so that you can be like a good boy. So the baby sister is gonna come here.
Mommy, you're always disappearing sauce. Let's eat. Na. Nom 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 nom.
Yum.
Guys, it's the end. Yeah. Goodbye and don't forget to like and subscribe. It's already 12 o'clock and I'm gonna eat you. Wait, I'm too far to eat you.